In this video, I will show you how to send your location to someone on Instagram. Sharing your location can be helpful when you want to meet a friend or share where you are. It's easy and quick to do. First things first, open up the Instagram app on your device. Next, head over to your direct messages by tapping on this icon located at the top right corner of your screen. In your DMs, scroll through your list of conversations and select the person you want to share your location with. Now that you're in the chat, look for the plus button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap it to reveal more options. From here, select Location. This will allow you to share where you currently are or any other specific location you choose. If it's your first time using this feature, Instagram may ask for permission to access your device's location. Make sure to allow this so that it can accurately pinpoint where you are. To share this spot with your friend, simply tap on Share Your Location at the bottom of the screen. If you'd rather share a specific place instead of where you currently are, just tap on the search bar at the top. Type in the name or address of that location and hit search. When you find what you're looking for in the search results, select it by tapping on its name. After selecting your desired location, simply tap Send Location. This will instantly add it to your ongoing conversation. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.